What is up, you guys? Welcome to your 28th tutorial of programming in C, and in this tutorial I'll talk about types of variables. Now when I say types of variables, I don't really mean integer or float or characters or anything like that. What I actually mean is that variables are actually classified on the basis of their life and where they have been stored in your PC as well. On the basis of these parameters, variables are classified into four types, that is automatic, static, register, and global. Now in this tutorial I'll talk about automatic and static type of variables. Okay, so when you declare a variable in, say, main function like this means that it is an automatic variable. Okay, by default every variable we declare like this is automatic. So all the variables which we have used in the previous tutorials, all the variables are automatic. We can actually declare the automatic variable like this too, but by default it's there, so we don't really type anything like that. So what automatic variable means is that the life of these variables is till the program remains in a particular function where it is defined. What this means is that if you come out of the main function, A is dead. I know it's mean for A, but that's how it works. Okay. Actually, let me make a simple program of incrementing the value of A by using functions. Okay, so let me just create a function. It will be no return type, and let me call this inc for increment. Okay, I tried some swag here. Instead of increment I typed inc. What? That's some stylish stuff I'm talking. Okay, so let's code our inc here, and in this inc let's declare a variable called a, and let's initialize this to 0. Okay, now remember this is an automatic type of variable by default. That means it dies when it goes out of this function. Okay, the value of a will be dead. Okay, so let's increment the value of a by 1, and let's print out the value of a. Printf D, and let's put this on a new line as well. 8. There you go. So our program is ready. What we need to do is that we actually need to call the function inside the main to run it. That's how you call the inc function, and let's run this and see how it works. So it prints out 1. Pretty right, because when we declare this a, and when we initialize this to 0, the next line will increment it to 1, and then we print out 1. Okay, so that's how it works. But what if we actually call the function 2 times, or maybe 3 times? Okay, let's run and see what happens now. Okay, there it prints out 1, 1, and 1. Why doesn't it print out 1, 2, and 3, and why 1, 1, 1? So what happens is that when you call the function for the first time, it starts running the code right here, and it initializes this to 0. Okay, now it increments it by 1, and then it prints out 1, and it comes out of the function. So when it comes out of the function, the value of a is lost, and when you call the function for the second time, and when this runs second time, it actually initializes the value of a again to 0. Okay, and the same procedure repeats for the third time as well. So what you can actually do here is that you can actually change the type of this variable to static instead of automatic, so that it remains alive even after we exit the function. So to do this, we just type static like this in here before int, and what this means is that now this variable has been static type instead of automatic type. Now what static type means is that the value is alive till the program is running, not the function is running, the program is running. Okay, so the value of a keeps updating until the program stops running. Okay, let's run and see what happens now. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. So what's happening here is that when you call the function for the first time, the value of a will be 1. But when you call the function for the second time, it doesn't initialize the value of a to 0 again, but it uses the previous values of a because it is static type. Okay, so that's how automatic and static types of variable work. And I'll be talking about global types of variable in the next tutorial. I won't be teaching you register type variables. Okay, the reason is because I don't really feel register type variables that much important. Okay, so thanks for watching and we meet in the next video.